Here's a video of my Air King 9-inch desk fan model 9154. Show you around it. Here's the front logo, the base here has a speed control. The side part, the back, and the oscillation. As you can see, this fan uses a three-prong plug with the blue fuse plug. And see, yep. And it's polarized, so yeah, we're gonna start this fan on low now. So we got this fan on Amazon back in 2000, like about a year, that's back this high. Back. I think probably C-fan motor. Look at ours and Air King. And it's in the gray finish. And that is the video of my Air King by Lasco 9-inch desk fan model 9154. Goodbye.